In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a text-to-speech voiceover in InVideo. Let's walk through the entire process step by step so you can confidently add a clear, polished narration to your project without recording anything yourself. First, log into InVideo. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard or your projects page. From here, select your project so it opens in the editor. Give it a moment to load your timeline and the preview window. At the bottom of the preview area, look for the voiceover option and click it. This is where InVideo centralizes all voice options so you can record, upload, or automatically generate narration. Next, choose the text-to-speech option. This tells InVideo that you want it to synthesize a voice from your written script rather than using a recorded file. Now enter your voiceover text. You can paste a prepared script or type it in directly. For best results, keep sentences concise, use punctuation to indicate pauses, and spell out numbers and acronyms the way you want them spoken. If you spot typos here, fix them now to save rework later. You'll see a setting for the type of voice, realistic or legacy. Realistic typically uses newer, more natural-sounding models, while legacy provides the classic synthesized sound. If you want a more human style, realistic is usually the better pick. If you need a simpler or familiar robotic tone, legacy can work fine. Next, select the language. Choose the one that matches your script so pronunciation and cadence are correct. Many languages and accents are available, and the language you choose will also influence the voices you can pick. To change the voice, open the Voice drop-down and select your preferred voice. You'll find different tones, genders, and accents. If you're unsure which one fits your project's mood, you can also play samples. Listening to a few quick previews helps you decide on clarity, warmth, and pace before generating the full track. When you're satisfied with your text and settings, click Generate Voiceover. InVideo will process the script and create the audio. This usually takes just a moment, depending on length. Review the result, and if everything sounds good, click Add to add it to your timeline. The voiceover will appear as an audio clip, ready to align with your visuals. From here, you can fine-tune timing, adjust volume, and make minor edits so the narration lands exactly where you want. That's it, your text-to-speech voiceover is now part of your project.